All my guys got Nintendo Switches, you feel me? They got 3 Nintendo Switches in there. Ain't shit.
Except for me, man.
Nobody don't want no smoke, man.
They don't want no smoke with us.
They don't want no smoking Mario Kart, man.
Oh yeah, this is fire. Oh, this is fire. Yo, Jay, this the NBA Jam we gotta play. This the old NBA Jam. But this shit got everybody, bro. Look at the people on this team. Allen Iverson, Reggie Miller, O'Neal, Tracy McGrady. This shit got all the 5 people in it. Jason Kidd, Kevin Garnett on the Timberwolves. I know this shit hard.
You know, I went stupid on
Cases.
First sip, man. First sip in a couple months. I just want to say, this is what I do it for. Like, this is what life is about. I love Sprite, don't get me wrong. I am